In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Google Calendar. Sometimes, while managing your schedule, those pop-up alerts can become a bit overwhelming, especially when you're juggling multiple tasks. So, if you're looking for some peaceful planning time without interruptions, this tutorial is just for you. First, let's open Google Calendar in your web browser of choice. It doesn't matter whether you prefer Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, this process will be the same. Once you're on the Google Calendar homepage, you'll notice your personal calendar interface loaded with all your scheduled events, tasks, and reminders. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see the gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings and preferences for Google Calendar. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open a new page where you can adjust various elements of your Google Calendar to suit your needs. On the left sidebar, you'll notice several categories under the General section. We're interested in honing in on your notification preferences, so go ahead and click on Notification Settings. This is where you can fine-tune how and when you receive alerts about your upcoming appointments or events. Once you're in the notification settings, look for the Notifications drop-down menu. Clicking here will provide you with a few options, with the main focus being how to manage these notifications effectively. If you've decided that you'd prefer a break from these constant nudges, you can simply select Off from the list. This will ensure that you no longer receive pop-up reminders each time an event or task is approaching. A little tip here. If you don't want to turn off all notifications entirely, you can also opt to customize them based on your needs. For instance, you might only want notifications for certain types of events or only at specific times. Feel free to explore these other granular settings when you have the time. Once you've adjusted the setting to turn off notifications, you won't be interrupted by alerts, allowing you to focus on other tasks without the disturbance. These changes are saved automatically, so you won't need to worry about hitting a save button. And don't forget, you can revisit these settings anytime if you decide you missed those handy reminders and want to turn them back on. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to manage your Google Calendar notifications, enabling a more serene planning experience. Thanks for following along, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out more of our tips and tricks to make your digital life a little bit simpler.